Why should you be the only one that's working for free? Hey guys, it's your guy Meter Mechanic. I'm hosting a new program called MadMood Collision. It's a play on words. It's a variation of my first name and my last name. Mad is in my first name and Mood is in my last name, so it's right there. Could be a little corny, I don't care. So I'm going to be teaching people in the trade, especially autobody technicians, how to maximize their earning potential by things that you usually don't look at. You know, a hit that is in a specific area that you only charge to fix the outside, but you're fixing the inside for free. Why do it for free? No one in the trade is doing anything for free, so why should you? So join me in. We're going to keep these videos under 2 minutes, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. So I'm going to do my best to keep them under 2 minutes. So let's start. In this episode, we're going to be talking about hits on a quarter panel. Now, this is just an example. As you can see here, just a Prius, right? And let's say that you have a hit right over here. Okay, so we're getting a new bumper, new tail light, and there's damage on the quarter panel. But the damage is in this entire area. Usually, if you ask for 10 hours, they're going to tell you, you know what, maybe I'll give you 8, maybe 9. They're never going to give you the exact number you asked for, especially if you don't tell them, hey, it's not just a quarter panel. If you just say it, they're not going to understand. They're not going to believe you. You got to show them something more detailed. And for that, I got this diagram off their website too. And this is for the same car. So if your hit is, I'm sorry, let me just go back there. All right. So if your damage is right over here, you have damage on the quarter panel. Let me change this color real quick. You have damage on the quarter panel. You have damage on the inner. This is the outer wheelhouse. These are called differently in different cars call them differently. So we're just gonna call this an outer wheelhouse, right? And you have damage on the taillight pocket. So we have damage on 3 areas. Right there, you have that's the quarter panel, and down here, like, because if this edge is folded in, that's also the outer wheelhouse. And if the damage touched the tail light, if you have a little thing right there, that's the tail light pocket. So you can charge to repair things that you're fixing for free. This is what I don't want anyone to do. Don't work for free, because no one is working for free in this trade. Why should you be the only one that's working for free? So let's go back to it. So instead of asking for 8 hours here, just 8 or 10. I can't really right on the mouse, but let's say you're asking for 8 hours on this quarter panel. They might say, yeah, sure, you can get it, whatever, fine. But when you tell them, hey, it looks like I need 8 hours for the quarter panel, and I need 2 hours for the outer wheelhouse and 2 hours for the taillight pocket, you're gonna end up with 12 hours instead of the 8 that maybe they're gonna approve. So it's all about breaking it down. And in this episode, we're only talking about this kind of hit. And if you want to learn more, I guess you gotta follow me and find out, well, more, I guess. Like, follow, subscribe, share this to someone that doesn't know anything about the trade and wants to know about the trade, and send this to the person that always gets screwed.